Welcome to my channel Global Car, everyone. If you love future cars, smart mobility, and bold new designs, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today we're talking about the 2026 Chery Tiggo, a car that's grabbing attention for its futuristic vision and urban-focused design. Chery has been pushing boundaries in recent years, and the Tiggo feels like a clear statement about where city cars are headed next. The 2026 Chery Tiggo is expected to be a compact, electric-friendly vehicle designed mainly for modern city life. Its overall approach focuses on efficiency, technology, and style rather than raw power. This makes it ideal for daily commuting, tight parking spaces, and eco-conscious drivers. The design philosophy leans toward sharp lines, a minimal front profile, and a tech-driven identity that feels fresh and youthful. Inside, the Tiggo is rumored to feature a clean, digital cabin with a strong emphasis on connectivity. Expect a large central touchscreen, a digital instrument cluster, and smart voice controls. Chery is likely to include advanced driver assistance features, such as lane support, adaptive cruise control, and intelligent braking, making city driving safer and more relaxed. Performance-wise, the 2026 Chery Tiggo is expected to prioritize smooth electric acceleration and efficiency over speed. A practical driving range, fast charging capability, and low running costs could make it very attractive in emerging markets as well as global urban centers. Affordability is another key point, as Chery has a history of offering strong value for money. Overall, the 2026 Chery Tiggo represents a smart blend of futuristic design, everyday practicality, and accessible innovation. If Chery delivers on these expectations, the Tiggo could become a popular choice for the next generation of city drivers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with fellow car lovers, and subscribe for more upcoming car content. See you in the next one.